Hey there, and welcome to GPN Nature and Technology channel, your ultimate destination for nature and technology videos. The key features of the Sony Bravia 7, highlighting why it's a standout in the world of premium TVs. 4K HDR display. The Bravia 7 offers a stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution that brings incredible clarity and detail to every scene. Coupled with high dynamic range, HDR, support, you'll experience deeper contrasts, brighter highlights, and more vibrant colors, making everything from movies to sports look more realistic. Cognitive Processor XR. Sony's innovative cognitive processor XR mimics the way the human brain processes visual and auditory data. This means that the Bravia 7 not only delivers exceptional picture quality but also adjusts it intelligently, focusing on elements that viewers naturally find most engaging, such as faces in a scene or action sequences. XR Triluminous Pro. The XR Triluminous Pro technology enhances color reproduction, displaying a wider color palette and more natural shades. Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. For a cinematic experience, the Bravia 7 supports Dolby Vision, which enhances HDR for even more dynamic visuals. Paired with Dolby Atmos, it delivers immersive surround sound, making you feel like you're in the middle of the action. Google TV integration. The Bravia 7 comes equipped with Google TV, which allows you to easily browse content from all your streaming services in one place. Google Assistant voice control is built in, enabling hands-free operation. X-Motion Clarity. The X-Motion Clarity feature enhances fast-moving scenes, keeping the action smooth and clear without sacrificing brightness. This is perfect for sports, action movies, or gaming, where motion blur can detract from the experience. HDMI 2.1 and gaming features. Now, let's dive into unboxing of the new Sony Bravia 7 Mini LED 4K TV and explore the features together that elevate your viewing experience. The Bravia 7 65-inch has arrived, and it's time to unbox this stunning display and get it mounted on the wall for the ultimate viewing experience. Let's walk through the unboxing and installation process step by step. Opening the box, right from the start, you can tell Sony takes care in packaging this beauty. The box is well organized, with protective materials keeping everything secure during transport. As you open the lid, you're greeted with the essentials for your new TV and its installation. What's inside? The 65-inch Bravia 7 display, the heart of the package, wrapped carefully to avoid any scratches. This massive, frameless panel is ultra-thin and ready to shine once it's on the wall. Power cable, a durable, long cable that provides plenty of flexibility for installation, whether you're wall mounting or using the stand. User manual and installation guide. Sony includes clear, step-by-step guides that make the setup process straightforward, especially for wall mounting. Remote control, 2 AAA batteries and 4 wall mount studs. Sony not included any wall mounting kit or tabletop stand, any one option to be selected during installation by Sony authorized service engineer. Acoustic multi-audio. With acoustic multi-audio, the Bravia 7 places sound exactly where it's happening on screen. Using strategically placed tweeters and speakers, the audio follows the action, creating a more immersive viewing experience. For gamers, the Bravia 7 includes HDMI 2.1 ports, ensuring compatibility with next-gen consoles like the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X. 4K at 120 frames per second provides smooth, responsive gameplay and reduced input lag for an enhanced gaming experience. Wall mount installation. For those planning to wall mount the Bravia 7, Sony has made the process easy, even for first-timers. Locate studs. Start by identifying the wall studs in your desired location. Use a stud finder to ensure that your TV will be securely mounted. Mark the spots for the screws. Mounting brackets. attach the included mounting brackets to the back of the TV. These are lightweight but incredibly sturdy, designed to support the size and weight of the 65-inch display. Drill and secure the mount. Using the screws provided in the kit, drill the wall mount into the studs. Make sure it's level before tightening completely to ensure your Bravia 7 is straight once mounted. Hang the TV. With the help of a second person, lift the Bravia 7 and carefully hook it onto the wall mount. The brackets should click securely into place. Cable management. Connect the power cable and other necessary cords, like HDMI or sound system cables, ensuring they're routed neatly for a clean look. Final adjustments. Once the TV is mounted, adjust the angle if needed. The mount provides flexibility for tilting or swiveling, so you can achieve the perfect viewing angle. First impressions on the wall. Once mounted, the Bravia 7 65-inch looks even more impressive. Its slim profile almost makes it appear to float on the wall, and the minimalist design enhances any modern space. The nearly invisible bezels ensure the screen takes center stage, drawing all attention to its vibrant, high-definition display. Setup and performance. After powering it on, the easy-to-navigate Google TV interface greets you, allowing for a smooth, user-friendly setup of your apps and streaming services. Thanks to Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos support, the Bravia 7 truly transforms your living room into a home theater, delivering deep blacks, vivid colors, and immersive sound. Final thoughts. The unboxing and wall mounting of the Bravia 7 65-inch TV is a rewarding experience. With the easy installation process and Sony's thoughtful design, this TV becomes a true focal point of your home. Now, all that's left is to sit back, relax, and enjoy the breathtaking visuals and sound that only the Bravia 7 can offer. Slim and stylish design. The Bravia 7 features an ultra-slim, nearly bezel-less design that enhances the viewing experience. Its minimalist look blends seamlessly into any modern living room, and its sleek profile is perfect whether mounted on the wall or placed on a TV stand. Smart home compatibility. The Bravia
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
And want to stay ahead of the curve, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Don't forget to tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads.